So this is what they say about me, little old me with my credit repair business. Guys, I'm about to cry.
Hi everybody, I want to sincerely thank Credit Approval Solution for the incredible work they did for me and my family. Within the first 90 days, my credit score improved significantly and the results spoke for themselves. Before working with them, I was experiencing repeated denial from apartments and other opportunities, and it was so discouraging. What I truly appreciate about Credit Approval Solution is that they did not work on my credit. They took time to work with me through the process, explain each steps, and make sure that I understood what was being done. Because of their guidance and professionalism, I have been getting approval for apartment, for credit card, for car loans. I'm so grateful because they helped me through the process. They were so nice, and my credit score went, before I had like 520 something to 745. So I was like, that was mind-blowing. And because of their guidance, and I've been approved for a lot of things that I could not qualify for before. The improvement has made a real difference in my life. I'm grateful for their support, their patience, their results. If you are serious about improving your credit score and you want to get approved for apartments, car loans, credit card, or generally maybe you want to get a house, please patronize Credit Approval Solution. They are awesome. They really helped me through my tough times.
So guys, I'm just sitting here in my family room. I'm actually just kind of working from home today because we're snowed in. And I came across a video that a client did send me. Now, this was a beautiful client. I love her life. She's from Nigeria, and she doesn't realize it, but she was a blessing to me just as much as we were a blessing to her. So she had a whole situation going on, and it wasn't a good one. And when she was talking to me during her consultation, God spoke to me and he said, "You're going to take care of her for free. We're not going to charge her." God said, "There's something that I want to do for her." So I'm like, okay, I'm just typing away and I'm like, listen, you don't have to worry about making a payment. We're going to take care of you for free. And that's just what we did. And I didn't think anything else of it. It was just done. And, a week ago, it was a week ago, a little over a week ago, before the winter storm started coming in. So I was going through results for the last month or so. So I was looking for results for people, just to send clients their results and things of that nature. And I came upon her name and I said, oh God, I remember her. Let me see what happened. And when I tell you guys, God cleared her whole credit report. I can't even take credit for that. Like, her scores were, I know, in the low 500s. I think she had one credit card or something like that she was still able to hold on to and keep current, but everything else was negative, and there were collections there galore. And now her highest score is 733. Now, I'm not going to show you all her business, but I am going to let you peek at these credit scores, because God did it. Like, everything it was the first round. Okay? So on the 36th day from the day we sent out her disputes is when I checked her results. And it's like, and I'm not going to tell her business, but now she can get her a place to live. That's how deep it was. That's how much she needed this whole credit repair to work for her. It was like a life thing. She really needed it. And I saw what God actually wanted to do for her. So it's so much a blessing. This is the part of my job that I really, really love the most, is that how I can impact the life just by listening, not being greedy over money, and doing what God said do. Change that woman's life forever. Like, she's changed forever. Like, where there were no open doors for her, now the doors are wide open for her. She can not only get a place to live for her and her kids, she can get a new car because she needs one. She can get credit because she needs some. You know what I'm saying? So, and just so much more. Like, this is life changing. It's awesome. Like, I love my job, guys. I love my job. I love my business. Yes, it is a business and we are for profit, but it is a ministry. I love it, guys. I get to talk to people, learn your stories, identify with most of the stories that I hear. I get to pray for people. I get to pray with people. I get to watch miracles happen every single week in my job. I love it. I get to meet people from all across the world every single week, and I'm just sitting here in Little North Carolina. And God just uses me to just work his wondrous miracles through me, my obedience, in my business. Guys, I love it. Keep talking to me because I'm going to keep talking to you.